It is all predictable, isn't it? The sun is out and the alarm clock is set loud. We get up in the morning and we wear the mask that grins and lies, the mask that hides the deepest fears that we hold within, the fear that tells us that we are inadequate to win. Because it is not the darkness that startles, but it's our own light that frightens. We doubt ourselves for the good we do, we question ourselves for the better we be. Who am I to be so fantastic? How can I be so talented? And we deal with thoughts that hit us hard and walk on the roads with those masks on. The roads which has people who are hustling to be seen while we are somewhere far grinding to disappear. We become a part of the crowd but stand far at the corner with so much that goes inside and has to be mended. Why do we try to put those fake smiles on? Fake smiles on things that just don't kill. Why do we fear things? Why do we fear truths? Why do we fear life? Why do we want to pretend to be perfect? Why can't we accept any of our flaws? Why do we want to be like others? What is there to be so pretentious? Why can't we accept that not all days are the same? Why don't we believe that we all gradually grow, facing ups as well as downs? It was never meant to be a straight line, it is always supposed to be a curve. Someday being a museum of disappointments hanging from events outside our control, while the others are like a treadmill with joys and events rolling up in a sequence. Can't we just acknowledge that life and a gym membership have the exact same address, where we have to repeatedly lift things that have been designed to weigh us down? Amid so much that goes on in life, we feel homesick for a place, unaware of its existence too. We contemplate and contemplate, not for improving ourselves for ourselves, but for comparing ourselves to others. Why don't we just let our every heartbeat sing? Why can't we surrender ourselves to moments where each pulse can tune up to saying that we are alive? Why can't we just begin to fall in love with everything around and not just faces and bills? Won't that be so magnificent? What if we just allow ourselves to breathe with that early morning sunshine falling on the cheeks, embracing our dimple? Won't that be just adorable? Why? Why can't we just get lost in ourselves to find ourselves? Why do we want to change ourselves, change to adjust, change to get accepted, change to hide our true stories? Why do we want to be so harsh on the life that is fragile? Why can't we just look up in the mirror and praise ourselves rather than cursing that pimple on the forehead, the eyes that are swollen, the hair that are messy? Why do we have to always prioritize highlighting the imperfections that we have and not the beauty that we hold beneath it? When we need two hands to clasp around that don't choke us, why do we have to be so dependent? What if we get up and hug ourselves tight and forget the fear of getting any nervous stroke down the spine? Won't it be a splendid moment if we decide to love ourselves before we love someone else? Won't it be fascinating to just take a chance and remold ourselves, believing that we are the molder and we are the clay? What if we accept that nature cannot repeat itself? There can be no two snowflakes alike, and if we try putting on the mask to pretend to be someone else, it would be like shriveling our souls. What if we decide to drop the mask and then celebrate the adorned version of us own? Why not admire and not just envy? Why not decide to follow and not just imitate? Won't it be mesmerizing? New days, new challenges, new hopes, and a stronger new life. Isn't this enough predictable?